For those of you, if you're like me, who do a lot of recording with your phone and you find yourself holding your phone in your hand and sometimes your phone battery is low as you're recording and you have no way of charging it and moving around, I came across this Vidpro battery hand grip. It has for GoPro, smartphones, cameras, and camcorders. So I'm going to open it real quick. Got my trusty knife here. This type of packaging, I find you always need this type of knife, or you cut yourself on this plastic. So here's what it comes with real quick. It comes with this handle, and I just pressed the button so it came on. You see the lights come on in there. This has battery indicators. 4 of them is 100%. This is at 3, so it came charged at 75%. It has a USB-C port here for charging it and a USB-A port here for charging accessories, including your phone. It actually can use GoPro too, but it also can be used for your phone. It has a phone mount that you can mount your cell phone. You can't mount it in portrait, but you can certainly mount it in landscape. I'll show you how this works real quick. You screw out the handle, you put this in, you got to line it up, and I'm trying to do this really quickly, so bear with me. It's lined up. You have, I think it's a 1/4-20 here. Yes. That you can use to mount anything else that you want. And remember, this handle has, I think it's a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in it, but it comes with the phone mount. You simply mount the phone, and there you go. And tighten this, of course, and you can film, and you can plug your phone in to the USB here and have power all the time while you record. The Vidpro battery hand grip for GoPro, smartphones, cameras, and camcorders. It does also come with a lanyard. These, so you can hook it around your hand so never drop it. The bottom of the handle comes with another 1/4-20, so this can be mounted to a tripod or any kind of stand that has 1/4-20. It comes with the USB, actually it's not a USB-C. The charging port is a, let me look at it carefully, is a mini, or is this a micro USB? Here's the cable. Let me make sure it plugs in. Do I have it right? It's very close up to the edge, so it might be a little hard to see. I'm doing this in filming, so it's looks like it should be this way. Yep. And it comes with a, I guess this is what, the micro, the really small one, to USB-A. This would only fit like a GoPro camera, but you can have yours that goes to Lightning or USB-C.